Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about an amazing opportunity called IPS, or Infinity Processing System. And what it does is pretty much is these three steps here, right? You get started, you join one of the levels, right? You post your ads on social media, and you get paid. Now, obviously, there's a lot more to the opportunity than what's being shown on your screen right now. So I'm going to dive right into it. All right. This is me, by the way, of course. You're on my affiliate website. Okay. So that way you can click on this button here to connect with me on Facebook as well if you have any other questions about this after I'm done. And I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. All right. Now, IPS gives you everything that you need to be successful. All right. And this is for the people that it's for. If you're tired of struggling, feeling stuck and confused, if you're a college dropout, stay-at-home mom, looking for a way to make some extra income for you and your family, or if you're tired of your job, or if you don't have one, if you want the ability to get paid daily instead of every 2 weeks. So the website goes into a little bit more detail of what you'll be getting access to, learn the same strategies that six-figure earners are applying every day in their business. You're able to quit your job as well as possible, give up on the rat race, not having to worry about making ends meet and things like that. It's definitely possible with IPS. And when I first heard about IPS last year, one of the reasons why I jumped on board with the opportunity is not only because of the creator of the opportunity, but because of the value that I knew that was going to be brought to it, the training that was going to be brought to it, and everything else that comes along with IPS. All right. So going further down, these are the three package levels where you can choose from. So you have your starter level, which is $50 one time plus a $25 website fee. That's what you get access to there. Same thing here, the level 150 plus website fee. That's what you get access to here. And the pro level, which obviously I highly recommend to unlock everything, right? It's $300 plus a $25 admin website fee. So you can, of course, join wherever you fit in. If you want to join that 50, start at 50, that's fine. And work your way up, that's totally no problem. Okay. You're basically going to get access to everything that's going to be shown on these options, right? But you'll get access to everything once you come in at a $300 level. And everything includes the 30-day email follow-ups, TikTok marketing, the VIP training chat, live trainings, get access to a vacation, and discounts on hotels and referrals. Okay? And restaurants, sorry, not referrals. This is your earning potential with the opportunity. Let's say coming at the starter level, $50, reasonable. One sale, $50. One sale per day for 7 days, $350 a week. Monthly income, $1,400. Right? Reasonable, respectable. 3 sales, $4,200 monthly possible. 5 sales, $50. $250 for the 5 days, $1,750 for the week, and for the month. Okay, now these are all possible numbers. They're not guaranteed numbers at all. What's possible? All right. Give you the same breakdown with the elite level, and they give you a similar breakdown with the pro level. So, as you know, there's a no refund policy with the opportunity. Okay. So once you get access to your opportunity, you'll have it for as long as you need it. And you get your materials right away. The links will be sent to you right away. Okay. Now, having said that, let's dive into the main part of this video really quick, which is the back office. The back office for IPS has everything that you need to be successful. All of the trainings provided for you. You have 200 pre-written ads and images. This is the $300 level, by the way. Okay, this is the everything package, I like to call it, because everything like that. Now, you're going to have the 7-day action plan. You have your Facebook marketing courses. You'll have the option to purchase paid traffic, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, and TikTok marketing. Also, they'll show you how to automate your business with your six-figure system. They'll show you how to do that as well, and the extra bonuses as well. All right, $300 level, guys. At the end of the day, this is key. All right, you're gonna have all of the images done for you, the premium ads done for you. So your primary focus will be to post these ads on social media platforms, post the ads, also classified sites as well, different places where you can post ads. That's all it really is, all right? The trainings, social media trainings will show you how to get familiar with marketing on Facebook, how to get marketing with Craigslist, how to market on Instagram, and how to automate on YouTube. It's all shown to you, all right? Your best bet, to be honest, would be to just go through all of the trainings, and if you need to watch them again repeatedly, go do that as well. Because there's no rush to be successful with this opportunity. You're going to want to take your time. You're going to want to go through all of the videos because the system provides the value for you. All you have to do is take the time to learn it. All right. Let me just see something really quick. I want to show you guys a little bit of the ads and some of the images that you get access to. And I want to show you everything, but this is the main portion of the video right here. I want to show you a little bit of that because I feel it's imperative that you see some of what you're getting access to when you join. All right. Now, again, because there are 3 different levels, a lot of the things that you're going to see now are at the $300 level, at the higher level. All right. But this is basically an idea of what you're going to be getting access to when you join. Okay. So you see you have a couple of the ads here. All right. Cool. Copy and paste ads. Copy and paste ads. Then we're going to go further down, all the way down to the bottom, and you have your images with ads as well. Right? A lot of great images here that you can use. A lot of great ad copy as well with the images that you can use. So all of this stuff, again, copy and paste material. You can use it to your advantage. And at the end of the day, this is what the training provides for you. It shows you how you can post these ads, where you can post these ads as well. All right. Now this is training from a 6-figure earner, so you know that she knows what she's talking about. All right. Follow the training step by step and make sure that you take your time with it. All right. So those are the ads that you're going to get access to. Okay. We're going to close that out really quick. All right, you have the option to also upgrade or update your website with new picture, replace payment options, and things like that. It'll show you how to do that as well. But the bottom line is this, and I'm not going to hold you up much longer with this video, guys. With Infinity Processing System, there are no monthly fees for the opportunity. All you have to do is join, choose your package, get in where you fit in. Okay, if you can start at 50, start at 50. You can come in at 150, come in at 150, or if you can go all in, pay your $300, go through everything step by step, and start putting in that work. Okay, and you can be successful with this as long as you're someone who's willing to put in the work, take the time to learn what it takes to be successful. Go through the training, go through the winning mindset video, go through the art of persuasion and influence video, go through these videos and understand. Okay, don't just rush through them. Take your time with it. Learn and implement, what you're learning from these videos. All right, because you're honestly given everything needed to succeed with IPS. All you have to do is just put in the work. All right. Again, before I wrap this up, there are no guarantees of any kind of results, no guarantees at all. But at the end of the day, I'm showing you what's possible and what you get with IPS, with the tools, the ads, the images, and the videos. You get a lot of stuff and a lot of value for the price. So it's best that you take your time, learn it, implement it, and just make it happen for yourself. Okay? So having said that, guys, hope you have a great day. If you have any more questions about IPS, you can leave them in the comment section below the video. You can reach out to me on YouTube as well. Leave a comment there. Connect with me on Facebook as well, and I'll be happy to answer your questions as best as I can. And for now, guys, hope you enjoy your Friday, and I will see you on the next video. All right? Take care.